Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another Test It Tuesday, and today we're going to be doing it on a skincare product instead of makeup. We're going to be doing it on the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Massaging Overnight Recovery Cream. So if you want to see what this product is and how it works, then just keep watching. So I was in Target and I saw this and I had to because of the hollow package. Honestly, is the only reason I bought it. But then the massaging part of it kind of intrigued me, so I decided to try it out. So like I said, this is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Massaging Overnight Recovery Cream. I bought this at Target and I bought it for $14 something, I think. It was like $14 and some odd change. But I just looked up on e.l.f.'s website and e.l.f. has it for $14 even. I decided I want to keep my reviews kind of in sync with each other so that they all kind of say the same aspects, so that I make sure I'm covering the same topics, not topics, but points. So I always want to make sure I'm telling you where you can get this product, or at least where I bought it, just because I don't know everywhere you can buy it, but at least where I got it from, how much they retail for, how much product you get, and the claims that the product has. So this has 2.29 ounce in it. So this is what, let me get it out. Alright, what's going on? Oh my gosh, be smarter than the box. So this, they shake. This is what the product itself looks like. It's hard to show you because it's iridescent, so my lights are reflecting, but this is the tool that is on the end. It's just a bunch of roller balls, which is really cool. Alright, so let's read about this first. So it says that it's a lightweight gel cream. It's packed with nourishing antioxidants, vitamin C, pomegranate extract, argan oil, and carrot seed oil to help overnight skin recovery and diminish the effects of everyday environmental aggressors. The rollerball applicator massages, oh my gosh. The rollerball applicator massages and stimulates skin to encourage moisture absorption for better results. Why can't I talk today? It's the end of the day. I'm tired. So the directions is apply to a clean face, dry skin, twist the cap to open, release from the bottom of the tube, massage firmly into skin in circular motions, and pat in any excess. If you want to get an increased cooling sensation, it says to put it into the fridge for a few minutes before you use it. That's all it says. It's just, I guess, meant to help fight against environmental aggressors, and it's supposed to help encourage the absorption of nutrients, and then all of the nutrients in it because of the massaging part. So I'm gonna go ahead, take off my makeup, and then we'll be okay. So now that all my makeup is off, we can go ahead and start using this product. So it did say you are supposed to twist the cap to open it. Oh, okay. So there is a hole directly in the center. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it very well. Camera likes to focus on my face only. So it does say at the bottom when it's off and when it's on. So you just twist it to the on position and then squeeze it out. I don't know, like, should I just, let's just dot it in some spots. Ooh, this feels so cool. So now I'm gonna put it into the off position and just kind of like move some stuff around. Alright. So then it just says massage in circular motions. It smells really good. I don't know how to explain the scent other than just it smells good. So I'm gonna wipe it off because I just think that's really gross. So then it says just to pat in any excess that you have. Obviously, I kind of do my Test It Tuesdays as like a first impression almost. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the description box how I think it worked overnight. But so far, it feels really nice. It feels like one of those like water-based moisturizers. Like, it does feel like a heavy moisturizer. Obviously, it's an overnight cream, and when I think overnight cream, I do think heavy. So it is heavier. It smells really good. I don't know how to explain the smell. It just kind of smells like, I don't know. It smells like skincare with, I can't think of what it's called, but it's like that. It's what I think in my head of a spa. That's what I think of the smell. Like, it smells like a spa to me. if that makes sense. I can't think of what it's actually called, but it does smell really good. It went on really easy. The only thing I don't like about the massage, I love the massage for like my cheeks and my chin and even my nose because of its shape. I could actually get in there, but the only parts I don't like it for is my forehead, like my forehead and eyebrow area, because it's just straight bone, right? You know what I mean? Like there's no fat or extra, that it hurts. Even going, alright, maybe I was just pressing too hard, because if you go lightly it's not that bad, but like right here especially, it does hurt even going light. You just have to be like extra light. It doesn't really tug. If you're going extremely light, like you can see, it's not really tugging my under eyes. So that's nice, because obviously you don't want to do that, because that'll help aid you if you do. So far so good. Like I said, in the description box down below, I will say what I thought about it overnight, but I can already tell you I'm probably gonna like it. Just because, like I said, it might be a mindset thing, that feeling it be like that water feel, or like that jelly water feel, that it just in my head makes me think hydration. So it might be in my head, but I will let you know, like I said in the description, what I thought. But that's all I have for this video. Sorry, it's a short one. That's all I have for this. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.